Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create an event on Apple Invite. So if you already downloaded the Apple Invite on your phone and I want to create your first event or you want to create multiple events, then this video for you. And if you have not downloaded the app, all you just need to do is go ahead, open the App Store on your iPhone, then come to the Spotlight section, search for Apple Invite. Then underneath it, you want to click on the Get button to download and install the Apple Invite on your phone. After that, exit the App Store and then go to App menu. On the App menu, locate and click on Apple Invites. Once you click on that, you see a pod that says Welcome. Then go ahead and click on the Welcome button. Then you see Get the party started with invite. So just go ahead and then click on Create an Event. Once you click on that, you should see background. Then type in your invite title. So in this case, I'm going to say Birthday Party. Then you can change the font here. Then after that, return. Then you see birthday party. Then swipe up, set the date, maybe all day, or you want to set the date at a particular time. So let's say the birthday party is February 27 and the time is 4 p.m. Then once you set that, click outside to set the date. Then if you want to end it, then you see none. Since you do not include all day, or turn on include end time. Now to include end time, just include end time. And then when you want the party to come to an end, the party is coming to an end at exactly 9 p.m. Then click outside and set that. Then go ahead and click on done while setting date and time. Then scroll down as well. Here, you can share album on your iPhone. You can also share playlist. So if you have album you want to share with your guest, with shared album, guests can view and add their photos to the event. So go ahead and share your album. Mark, you must have created the shared album on your Photos app. However, you can also add location. Click on location. Then you want to search for your location. So click on allow once. Then go ahead and search for the location of the event. So just type the location. Then once you type the location, just go ahead and click on the location from the maps or set your current location. So if you don't want to set your current location, I'm just going to come here and set this. Then click on done at the top right. Then you should see the event location. Then once you're done, you can just go ahead, click on preview. Then this is how the event is going to be. So whoever you send this event to or you share the event to can pick whether maybe they are coming, not going, or they are going. Then that is it. Then you can also add background to the event or change the event background. So since it's birthday, you can just choose something related to birthday here. Click preview to preview it again. You see that? Now, ready to start invite people, a subscription is required. Now, for you to use the Invite app, you need to upgrade to iCloud Plus. So just go ahead, upgrade your account to iCloud Plus, and then you'll be able to share your event on the Invite app. So that is basically how to create events on Invite app. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.